Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by using your existing Google account. If you do not have one, create it now and enable two-step verification for security. Once done, open Ads. Google. And click Start Now to enter business details. Provide the legal business name, correct billing address, and select your currency and time zone carefully because you cannot change them later. Make sure to choose the appropriate tax status and prepare payment info so the next screens flow smoothly and you can move directly into campaign setup. Now configure billing. Choose your billing country and billing type, monthly invoicing or automatic payments, and complete the payment profile with tax ID if required. Next, assign roles. Add a billing admin and at least one user with admin permissions so you can manage invoices and campaigns. If you use an agency, link or create a manager, MCC account during this phase. Finally, verify your payment method. A small authorization charge or bank confirmation ensures funds will clear and prevents campaign pauses later. Finish by reviewing all settings. Double-check currency, time zone, billing cycle, and notification preferences because these affect reporting and invoices. Create at least one campaign draft or pause it if you want to confirm tracking first. Install conversion tracking or link Google Analytics to measure performance. If something goes wrong, payments declined, verification stuck, or tax mismatch, check card limits, correct tax profile entries, and retry verification. If unresolved, contact Google Ads support with your account ID and screenshots for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.